Hello everyone, welcome to the Kaysen's Hot Wheels Diecast Garage and Racing YouTube channel. Today I have a package that came in today. It is a new, it's not really new, but it's a monster truck Monster Jam chase piece from 2023, and today I'm gonna unbox it for you guys to see what it's all about. This is actually my first monster truck chase that I have in my collection right now. There you go. Okay. I'm actually going to start working on another video while I'm out here. Talk about the Ferrari returning to Hot Wheels too. They're supposed to be returning to Hot Wheels this spring. And no, it's not a joke. They are actually returning to Hot Wheels. Anyways, here is the Monster Jam chase. It is the Dragon monster truck. As you can see, it has clear tires and a clear base. This is a chase piece for the Monster Jam truck series. As you can see, there's all the monster trucks there. The main line would have a black chassis and of course the normal black tires on a truck. So this is my very first Monster Jam chase in my collection for Hot Wheels cars and of course monster trucks, because I collect those along with the Hot Wheels as well, Hot Wheels cars. So but that's the monster truck chase right there. And then again, if you want to look at, pause and look at the trucks here, it's all the monster trucks that goes with this chase in the back here, and of course this chase right there. So but this is the Dragon monster truck Monster Jam chase piece for 2023. I believe it's 2023. I don't know. I'll have to look that up and put, whoops. I'll have to look that up and put it in the description. But this is, anyway, I'd say it's pretty cool looking for my first chase piece on the Monster Jam series. But yeah, this is it. Obviously, there's a few that I want to get. There's, I believe it's from this year, and it's a Gravedigger, and I believe it's a there's a Gravedigger Monster Jam chase and a Blue Thunder chase that I also like. So I'm probably going to get those sometime. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. This was the unboxing of the Dragon Monster Jam chase piece.